Hello guys. Have you ever thought that what ghosts really are? In this video we will tell you. It may be a little scary. Let's get started. Ghosts are defined as the spirits of dead persons, which cannot rest and therefore wander about, sometimes coming to haunt the living. Belief in ghosts appears to be as old as mankind, and is recorded in the earliest literature. The average person today does not really believe in ghosts, and will say so emphatically. Yet houses are still said to be haunted. And books of ghost stories sell by the million. The typical ghost of imagination is a transparent, whitish figure, draped with chains. This specter never talks, but may groan horribly. He walks most often in old houses, and occasionally beckons frightened people to follow him. Whether that specter, or a headless woman, or any other kind appears, there is usually said to be some person behind the hauntings. The body of the ghost may lie somewhere unburied, and he may be trying to get a living person to find his bones and give him decent burial. He may also be seeking revenge. The Cock Lane ghost, which thrilled Londoners in the 1760s, was supposed to be that of a murdered woman. She rapped in answer to questions, and told listeners that she had been poisoned. This ghost gained such power over the popular imagination that the Lord Mayor of London agreed to a formal inquiry to discover the truth. The committee, which included the famous writer Dr. Samuel Johnson, pronounced the ghost to be a fraud. Their conclusions did not convince everyone, however. And as recently as 1965 a book was published in which the author argued against the findings of the 1762 committee. Hope you enjoyed this video and it didn't scare you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.